Okay, so here we have NFCProxy as it is when you start it up in proxy mode. So at the top there we see there's three tabs: the Data tab, the Status tab, and the Saved tab. The Data tab basically has all of your live transactions. The Status tab has things like error logs and status log messages. The Save tab contains all of your saved transactions. Let's take a look at the Save tab right now. So out of the box there are some built-in transactions. We see that there's a VivoPay 4000 against a bunch of different credit cards. So let's actually select the VivoPay 4000 and MasterCard transaction. So just tap on that. Now we can see at the top there's a P, and that indicates that we are in PCD replay mode. So right now the phone is pretending that it is a credit card reader. So if we take a credit card and we place the phone next to the credit card, the phone should be able to skim the data right off of the credit card. This might take some finessing. Basically, NFC and RFID tags, they can be finicky at times, and they may require a few attempts to actually read the data off of a tag. Okay, I got lucky that time and read it the first time. So what we see here is we've got the card information, the name, the card number, expiration, etc. The bottom we see CVV, track 1, track 2. That's MasterCard specific data. Basically gets gets made into a dynamic CVV number. So we've just skimmed someone's credit card. So let's say we want to go abuse that credit card and go spend it at a real terminal. So what we do is we just long click on there, and then we select the replay tag option. So now at the top there, you'll see that it says T instead of P. So this indicates we are in tag replay mode. So we're going to replay the credit card when we come across a reader. So we take the phone and we place it next to a credit card reader. Hopefully the credit card reader will light up and beep. There we go. So basically that credit card reader just told us that it read a legitimate credit card. So right there, right out of the box, without setting up anything in proxy mode, we were able to skim a credit card and replay that skimmed credit card at a point-of-sale terminal. So let's say you come across a situation where the built-in PCD requests aren't working for you. What you want to do is set up your phones in proxy mode. So you'll need your two phones. You set up one phone in relay mode, and you place that near the credit card. So now that relay phone has detected the credit card and is waiting for a connection from the proxy phone. So we go back to the proxy phone, and we take it and we swipe it across the card reader. We should see some beeping and the LEDs light up again. So basically, we're proxying the credit card through the phones right now. And there you go. So again, all of that information is the same: account information, name, etc. So if any of those APDUs were funny, you can go analyze them now and see what's going on there. So if you long click, just want to show you some more of the options. You can delete this transaction from your screen, or you can save it to the local database or export the file. So when you save to the database or save to a file, none of that stuff is encrypted, so store credit card information at your own risk. And when you delete it, it deletes it from the screen. So all of the stuff that you see in the data tab, all of that data is transitory. If you hit the back button, that data disappears. You actually need to explicitly save your transactions if you want them to stick around. If you hit the home button, the transaction will still stick around because the app isn't actually killed. But that's just the way Android works. There's also a few setting configuration options. Oops, let me get rid of that. Let's go to settings. You can change the mode. You got to set the IP of the relay phone. You can set the port, the password if you're using encryption. you can tell it to keep the screen on and debug logging. So that debug logging will log account information to the logcat feature of Android phones. And yeah, that is about it.